say goodbye to the unwanted bots. A quick guide to removing them from your server. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove bots from Discord server. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your device and log into your account. On the left sidebar, tap the server icon where the bot is active, as you need to be in the correct server to remove a bot. Tap the server name at the top of the screen and then select Settings to open the Server Settings menu. In the Server Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Members. Bots are typically listed as a member in your server, and this is where you can manage them. Click on the bot name. From the menu, tap Ban as it prevents them from joining again. You can also delete message history according to your preference and include the reason for removing them. Finally, click on the Ban option. Go back to the server and confirm the bot is no longer listed in the member list. This ensures the bot is successfully removed from your server. So this is how to remove bots from Discord server. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.